I made my first card in December 2016. Back then, I only had a few stamp sets, some pattern paper, and some really cheap watercolors. I had carved out a little corner in the living room of the rental apartment we were living in Germany, and at that time I had no idea what card making was going to become for me. Not only a huge passion, which turned into a little bit of an insane obsession if I'm honest, but also a great stress relief and a way to cope with the struggles that life throws at us sometimes. It was going to become my happy place. Fast forward a couple of years and we pack our bags and move from Germany all the way to England in another rental property, but this time it's a little bit bigger and I have a craft room all to myself. It's like a dream come true. It's my own space to get creative and even messy whenever I feel like it. My passion grew and so did my stash, and because my husband has always been so supportive of my crafting, he suggested that I moved from that little craft room into the living room, which was a much bigger and brighter space and is the room that you've been seeing behind me for the past year or so. And so much has changed in this past year. My channel has transformed a lot. I have discovered a new passion for mixed media, and I've also been able to open up about my health struggles after so many years here on this channel with you all, and you've been really amazing about it. But all good things come to an end, so I packed all my craft supplies and that living room is no longer my craft room. In Italy we say, when a door closes, a gate opens up, which means every ending is an opportunity for a bigger and even more exciting beginning. And this gate, this time for me, is a new home. Our very first home as homeowners, which we just moved into. I'm so excited to set up my new craft room and to share this new chapter with you all. I also have a tour of my previous craft room because you've been asking for that for a while and I just couldn't move out of that house without filming that craft room tour. So that's coming soon, but also let me know what kind of content you would like to see from me in the coming weeks, and also just how you're feeling because it's been a while. Thanks for your patience and for all your support, and as always, remember, keep crafting, keep on shining.